Welcome to the final EIQ Tools demo for Scenario 1. Now that we've completed mapping the columns to a standard data view, we are ready to query the virtual data source. We'll use the EIQ Server Query tool, which is a standard database query tool. Before we get into the actual queries, I'll showcase the interface that a VDS provides. My table is the only table available in this VDS. The only columns that are available are the ones mapped to a standard data view. However, there is a data source column that is also available by default. This is useful when we have multiple data sources being federated. It helps identify which data source a particular record is coming from. Now let's see a simple select query. Enter select star from my table. The results will appear in the bottom of the window once the query is returned. There are columns coming from multiple tables in the underlying database. All of them have, essentially, been joined automatically using the PK-FK relations that we specified while building EIQ indexes. When the queries are submitted, they go to the index for isolation and most of the query execution. They only go to the data source to retrieve the results data. The incoming SQL statement is translated to data source-specific schema. This is what the EIQ index uses. The translation happens automatically. And it's not the only thing that happens automatically. If we copy and paste the translation into Notepad, we can see that there are inner joins that go across these tables. These joins are also done automatically in order to flatten the results set. This is one of the first benefits we originally mentioned, query offload. The query actually gets resolved on the index and not on the data source. The second benefit we can take advantage of is data cleansing at the index level to improve the result set. You can see this when we execute the following query. The state names have all been fixed and the full names appear, whereas there would still be errors if we went through the data source directly. We can take care of any data quality and standardization issues by using the EIQ SuperAdapter. As we have already seen, all the columns are shared or are returned with information sharing using a standard data view. This concludes the demo of the first scenario in the tutorial. Thanks for watching.